Welcome back to the Mixed channel, and today's cocktail, guys, is the Hot Toddy, a nice, simple, perfect winter warmer. Because then I will show you how to make this as we're getting ready for New Year's Day now. Because then we'll have one more video which will be released tomorrow, which will be the Smokey Old Fashioned. But to make the Hot Toddy, first pour in 60ml or 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm getting. Next, 15ml or half an ounce of sugar or simple syrup. Right, now add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And to complete the Hot Toddy, just top up with near to boiling water. Because I just do it with a kettle. And to finish off the Hot Toddy, because you can add a lemon peel if you want, but I'm going to do it with an orange. Give it a better twist. There we go. Just dip it in. There we go. One Hot Toddy. Because how does the Hot Toddy taste? It certainly warms you up, but it's nice with the bourbon. Because I didn't expect it to like it so much. Because I thought it'd be a little bit too warm for my liking, but it's alright. But yeah, that is a nice simple winter cocktail. Because that's certainly how you make it. Nice and simple and very effective. But next up will be the Smokey Old Fashioned for New Year's Eve, and I will see you for the next cocktail video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed, as I really have appreciated all your support throughout the years. 217 subs and you've been fantastic. And I will see you guys for the Smokey Old Fashioned tomorrow. Cheers, guys.